Hey there, summer lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of lip care with some amazing DIY lip balms with natural sun protection. Whether you're hitting the beach, playing in the park, or just enjoying the great outdoors, it's crucial to protect your lips from those harmful UV rays. Let's get started. First things first, why is lip protection so important in the summer? Increased sun exposure can lead to dry, chapped, and sunburned lips. Our lips have superfine skin and no melanin, which makes them extra vulnerable to UV damage. Experts recommend using a lip balm with SPF to keep your lips safe and healthy. Now, let's talk about the fantastic natural ingredients we're using today. We've got zinc oxide, which acts as a physical sunscreen, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and beeswax. These ingredients not only provide sun protection, but also keep your lips moisturized and soft. All right, let's jump into our first DIY recipe. We're making a simple sun protection lip balm. You'll need 2 tablespoon beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon zinc oxide, 10 drops of peppermint oil. Melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter in a double boiler. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in the zinc oxide and peppermint oil. Pour into lip balm containers and let cool. And there you have it. A simple, effective lip balm that protects your lips from the sun. Next up, we have our SPF-packed lip balm with raspberry seed oil. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon red raspberry seed oil, 1 tablespoon carrot seed oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Melt the beeswax and shea butter in a double boiler. Remove from heat and add the raspberry seed oil, carrot seed oil, and lavender oil. Pour into lip balm tubes or tins and let cool. Finally, we have our healing lip balm for sunburned lips. You'll need 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon zinc oxide, 5 drops of chamomile essential oil. Melt the beeswax and shea butter in a double boiler. Remove from heat and stir in the aloe vera gel, zinc oxide, and chamomile oil. Pour into containers and let cool. Here are some tips for applying and caring for your DIY lip balm. Apply liberally and frequently, especially after eating, drinking, or spending time outdoors. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or in the sun for extended periods. Store in a cool, dry place to prevent melting. Avoid flavored oils if you're prone to licking your lips. Using natural lip balms is crucial because common ones often contain petrochemical ingredients that can actually dry out your lips over time. Our DIY balms are free from preservatives and synthetic additives, providing genuine hydration and protection.
Thank you very much for what you have explained. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, Santa Pola, Ventura, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.